Today's video is going to be another how-to video because I have been so obsessed with creating my own Instagram filters. Yes, you heard that right. I did create my own Instagram filters, and imagine I was able to create 3 Instagram filters in one night, and it all got approved in one night as well, meaning you can actually use it on Instagram. Just go to my Instagram profile, just click that little smiley face right there, and you can see all of the filters that I was able to create. So you can also search my filter on the browse effects on your camera and you're good to go. Just please do tag me whenever you use my filter so as I would know that you're using it, and thank you so much. Anyway guys, for today's video, of course, I will be sharing with you how to create your own Instagram filter. So it's really fascinating to see different kinds of filter on Instagram, Snapchat, or Facebook, and I didn't think that it will be this easy to create. Yes guys, it's like 1, 2, 3 and you have your own filter. You will be just needing 2 applications in order for you to create your own Instagram filter, and let's start off with the first application. So first application that you need to have is the Spark AR Studio. It's actually free to download. Just head on to Google and search the application, or just click the link on the description box and it will go directly to the download site of this application. This is actually the most essential application that you should have because this is where all the magic happens. And then next application that you need to have is Photoshop. This is, by the way, my company's laptop, hence I only installed the 7-day trial Photoshop just for this video. Yes guys, you will be needing Photoshop, but if you are just a beginner like me, it's better for you to start using Canva first because Canva is handy and it's very easy to navigate compared to Photoshop. But Photoshop is really that flexible that you can do everything that you want. So if you want to have like very complex or complicated filters, you can just opt in using Photoshop. But for today's video guys, I will be using Photoshop because I find it very easy to use and very flexible, as I said. So let's start off by opening our Spark AR Studio. This is where all the magic happens, as I said. So you will be seeing lots of templates here. Yes, there are templates already, like you can put head decoration, face decoration like glasses and such, but we won't be using these templates. We will be starting from scratch. So let's go to the create new and then click blank project. And then once you're done clicking it, this is what it will look like. So we are greeted by this very smiley handsome guy right there. So this is the interface of the Spark AR Studio, wherein you will be able to create your own filter. So you can actually change the person that's smiling right at you for you to be able to try it with different kinds of skin colors, skin shapes, and just gender. So you can have her, or you can use her face or her face or her face, and you can actually use this with someone who has beard, so you would know how it will look like. And then you can also use him. So you have actually 7 choices for the kind of face picture that you would want to use, but for me, I will be using my own because I like using my own face. Anyway, so we did click that camera, and then let's just click the FaceTime HD camera or whatever is the title of your camera right there. So this is me right now, so this is where I'm gonna vlog this. So as you can see, that's me. You can also change the interface or the size of your sample screen there from iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone X, iPhone SE, and the likes. You can actually make it bigger like this one for you to be able to see if the filter fits you perfectly. So first thing that we need to do is go to the left panel and then double click or just right click. You need to click the add and then face tracker, or you can actually just right click, add, and go to face mesh. So that's how it's gonna look like. Alright guys, now that we are done adding the face mesh, again, you can actually just right click face mesh, and then this little PNG background right here on our face will appear, and then just go to face mesh, click that, and then click material on the right panel, as you can see, and this is me right now, Jabawakis. And then you will be seeing, like when you click the material, there will be another thing thing that will appear on the left side, which is material 0. Let's rename that to smoothen, because this is the part wherein we are going to add that smoothing effect on the face. So let's click on the right panel, let's click shader type and then retouching. So this is essential if you just want to make your face smooth, or if you want your filter to have that smoothing or that smooth effect on the face. Let's like put that to actually 65. So that's the maximum that I want it to make someone's face smooth. So now that we're done in making our face smooth, it's not necessary, but if you feel like your filter needs it, just do it. And then going back to the left panel, let's add again face tracker again, and then add face mesh. And then here it is again. And then let's click material and then create new material, and then material 0 will appear again on the left side. And let's just rename that filter because we do label our layers. Alright guys, so now we need to create our own filter. And how do you do that? First, you need to download your face assets. What are face assets? These are the faces, or like the face mask that we're in. You can use it as your pattern in creating your filter, in order for you just to know that your filter fits someone's face properly. So you just need to go to help and then click download face assets, and then it will redirect you to a website wherein you can download the face assets. Now that you are able to download all the face assets, all you need to do is to drag the face asset of your choice to Photoshop, and then once you are done dragging it, you will see this like interface right here. And then if you are familiar with Photoshop, this will be just easy for you. But if you're not, I really suggest you guys to try Canva first and upgrade to Photoshop if you need to create more complex filter. So I'll try my best to do the step-by-step process that I do in Photoshop. So first, I am thinking of creating a blush. So I will create layer 1. So this is where our blush would be. So why am I creating this? For us to be able to download it or to just export it as PNG, because we can actually remove this mask. The mask there is just a guide for you. So for me to create a blush, I'm going to click this brush tool, and then I will click the soft round. The size is a bit big, but the hardness is like a bit like 1%. And then I will just choose color right here for the best color that will suit everyone's face, but I'm not really sure if it will. And if guys just want to add like stars or hearts or whatever you're thinking of, you can actually go to Google and then do search like heart PNG or star PNG and whatnot. Like I will be getting this little star right there, and then I will just drag it to Photoshop. So now that we are in Photoshop already with our big heart, I will be just resizing it to my desired size and just putting it somewhere. I am basically okay with this kind of filter. Again, this is just a sample video. So I will now click this little eye right here on the background for me to remove the actual mask. And then we are left with this transparent background images. So just go to File and then export it, quick export as PNG. Now that we have our filter from Photoshop, I will go back to this left panel asset wherein I will be clicking filter. And then on shader type, I will add face paint. And then let's choose file on texture. And then let's look for our filter. So that's the star headband. So I will be clicking it. And there you have it. It's already on AR. And you can actually try it. This actually looks good. Tingnan mo, it's cute. And as you can see guys, I already have the blush and then the star on my head. So it's that easy. So in order for you to be able to use this on Instagram, you will need to upload it on the actual Spark AR Studio. So in order for us to upload it, let's go to File, Upload to Spark AR Studio, and this is the window wherein they will be calculating the file size of your filter. So let's just wait for this to finish. Alright guys, now that we are already done, or the upload is done already, let's click Upload. And then it will redirect to the website wherein you can actually submit your filter for review because your filter needs to be reviewed by the people behind AR and Instagram. And then you just need to fill out this information right here. Fill out Instagram, of course, because that's where you want it to be uploaded. I tried uploading a filter for Facebook, but it's not as easy as Instagram. Like Instagram, there's a link on top of your story, but on Facebook you can't actually just click the link and use the filter. So it's really fun doing this for Instagram only. You can actually test this on your device. Just click save it and test on device. Once you're done copying the link, send the link to yourself in order for you to be able to use the filter, and then try it on your Instagram. And then once you're done with that, just click submit. Actually, approval of the filter takes up to 10 days, but in my case, I was able to receive it after 5 hours or 3 hours only, and I was able to use my 3 filters already. So basically guys, that's just it on how you can create your own Instagram filter. I hope this video is very helpful for you guys, especially if you just really want to create your own Instagram filter. I have to explore this application even more because I am just so excited to create more filters for you guys out there. So if you just want to try my filter, just do search my Instagram profile, go to the filter and do try it. Tag me whenever you use it so I know that you watched this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this, and I will just do an update about this video on my Instagram, so please do follow me on that. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this one. Bye!